Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log into your Old Navy credit card account. So you can do so by just following the steps that I'm going to say in this video. So you have to first visit Old Navy website. So we have to go to the URL section, just type www.oldnavy.com and enter it. And we just landed to oldnavy.com website. We can see a lot of options here. We can see a lot of gifts, toys, and a lot of products, so you can buy it. So before buying it, you have to sign into your account. So I'm simply going to tap on the right corner. There is a sign in your account button. So I'm going to click it there, and there's this blue sign in again. So I'm going to click it there as well. So here's the sign in. So I'm simply going to add my email address, and just there's a orange font continue button, so I'm going to continue it as well. So here are some requirements we needed, that is our name, our last name, and also our password and your phone number. So for further process, you have to fill up this form and create an account with this orange font, and you can successfully make an account in Old Navy credit card. And if you encounter any issues or have specific questions about accessing your Old Navy credit card account, it's best to reach out to Old Navy's customer service for further assistance. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification button, and also comment down below if you have any queries.